Hey guys, are you an entrepreneur or a small business owner and you struggle with getting one quality connection for yourself? My name is Vandana and I help entrepreneurs and home business owners generate leads, build their audience, and make more sales for their business. I got one simple question for you. Do you feel that you are not getting one quality connection for your network daily? So stick around and I'm going to share with you 4 steps to grow your network by adding one quality connection daily. Step number 1 is to send 5 new friend requests on Facebook daily and send them a private message at the same time with a compliment. Now, how do you know what to compliment them on? Very simple. Go to their profile, find something that you have in common with them, and throw them with a compliment with absolutely no agenda. It's simply a hello to open up that friend request. Those 5 friend requests per day with the compliment and the reach out will generally result in one quality open connection for you. Step number 2. Do not be in a rush with a call to action. Whether it is adding people to your list, asking them to take a look at something, asking them what they do, just be patient. All you need to do is to continue to add those friend requests and send a message with compliments. So number 2 is to be patient with your call to action. Number 3, be aware of them asking you what it is that you do. Number 3 is to be patient and keep your ears open and listen. They will ask you what you do, and that is your opening to share what you do with them. Number 4, which is the most important step to adding one new quality connection to your network. Number 4 is stay consistent with 5 friend requests per day along with the message to each friend request before they accept your friend request, giving them a non-agenda compliment. So there you have it. Those 4 steps on a consistent basis will help you grow your network by one new quality connection daily, which is 30 new connections in the month, and which means 365 new quality connections over the year. And let's keep in mind, your net worth is completely dependent on the size of your network. So to reiterate, the 4 steps to generate one quality connection in your network per day are: number 1, send 5 new friend requests per day along with a private message, giving them a compliment that is non-agenda driven. Number 2 is be patient and do not give a call to action. Do not ask them to take a look at anything you have or to even join a list. Number 3 is listen. Listen carefully for when they ask you, what is it that you do? Over time, maybe after 2 conversations, maybe after 5, maybe after 10, they will ask you, what is it that you do? So keep your ears open for that question. And number 4, stay consistent. Send those 5 friend requests along with the message, giving them a compliment, and do it every single day. So apply these 4 steps daily and you are sure to grow your network with quality connections by one quality connection daily. Vandana Nanda signing off, and have a great day. Bye for now.